Children, all I hope you all are enjoying all the studies, all the activities with Shilpa ma'am. So here is alphabet made easy, and I am talking about letter B, as you have already know. Yes, I have already told you. So this is letter B. It's written here. Sound is B. B की sound क्या है? B. So B boy, B ball, B bench, B bat. B boy, B ball, B bench, B bat. Here B butterfly, B basket, B banana, and B books. So here is an interesting story also. Okay. Yes, you can see this picture. This is a boy, boy, and his name is Bunty, Bunty. Okay. Bunty is sad because his friends didn't came into the garden. This is a garden. Okay. So he is quietly sitting on bench. He is quietly sitting on bench with his bat. Okay. Suddenly a butterfly came there, and she gives him banana. She gives Bunty banana to eat. Banana to eat. But he refused. Because he was not happy. Then butterfly give him books. Okay. But he again refused to the books because he wanted to play. So butterfly again give him a ball. उसको butterfly ने उसको क्या दिया? Ball. Butterfly gave him a ball. So he was now happy and he played with ball. And it was an enjoyable day for him. So again I am repeating all the words. This is B, sound is B. Boy, ball, bench, bunch. Here are the words also. Butterfly, basket, banana, books. Boy, Bunty. Boy का नाम है Bunty. Boy, Bunty, ball, bat, butterfly, banana, basket, books, and again his is bats. So here is a interesting story. I hope you like the story.